I received a package today and thought I'd open it on camera. Ooh, look at that. Right away, something soft and pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at this, is beautiful. It's got flowers on it. It's like a table runner. That's beautiful. With something matching here. I'll just take everything out. It's like super heavy, this box. So you know there's lots of good stuff in there. And she did a great job packaging it as well. Nothing was moving. Whoop. Aren't these cool? These are corners for journals. I've never used one. Those are really nice. Look at the, hope you can see the ornate design on those. Wow, that's amazing. Can't wait to use those. And look at this pretty fabric. Beautiful flowers. I'm going to say these are irises, but such pretty colors. And it's a thicker fabric too. It'd be perfect for a book cover. Wow, I love that. Here's another piece here. It's a beautiful placemat. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the colors on this one too. Everything kind of matches. Beautiful yellows, and it's a touch of coral there. That is so pretty. So here it is. Here's this beautiful journal. So we've had a little back and forth, a swap about a year ago, and then I had sent her some crocheted articles, like a hat and a scarf, I'm gonna say, and then she asked me what I wanted in return. So she does the little golden books, and she asked me for a theme, and I said cats, because we both love cats. So isn't this cute? And here's the corners that she used, that she gave me some as well. Isn't that nice? So here's the beautiful spine, has fabric on it, and she's done a really great job of stitching. A lot of people say they don't like this part, the putting in of the signatures, the stitching part. So good job. And it's got some little dangles and beautiful lace there. It must be such a challenge to keep the book intact. So kudos to you guys that do this. This is really nicely done. You know, it keeps as much as the book intact as possible. And here we go in the journal. And okay, this fabric's on the inside too. Oh, here's some goodies. Wow, look at those stamps. And they have some lace on them. Oh, that's really interesting. I think it's actually like a printout of the stamps. Very nice. Some other trunks, traveling bags. Cool. A little memo. Oh, no, this is a flip. Wow, look at that. That is so interesting. These are envelopes on each side. And then in the middle is a little pocket with, this looks like it's from an envelope. It's got the glassine or whatever there, a little piece there. And then a little pocket behind here that holds this card. And these little pockets have little things in them as well. This has a little postcard. Let's see what's in this one. A little piece of paper there too. This has a seal on it. Very interesting. This is a really interesting idea. The envelopes have been glued on the back, and so they become flips. That's very creative. Oh, look at these cards. They're so beautiful. I love cards. This is from the Royal Let's try that again. Royal Horticultural Society, sharing the best in gardening. And this is a daisy. These are beautiful. Did these come in a set? I know I ordered a couple of sets of these cards. They're just the perfect addition. And look at the colors as well. This one is a tulip. Okay, that's what was on the fabric as well. And the pretty colors to match. Those are beautiful cards. So look at what you've done here. This is such a great idea. She's done some zigzag sewing here. So sewing the pages on with a strip of paper that would be where the binding would go, so you can keep the pages intact. What a clever idea. Look at these beautiful pinks and greens. Love those colors together. A little dangle. Now, did you do the wire wrapping on that? That's really well done. Once there was a little pussycat, not much bigger than a pussy willow. He was just as soft and gray and furry as those little flowers clinging to the branches all about him in the early spring. So he named himself Pussy Willow. Cool, look at that pocket. Oh, look at that. It's double-sided pocket. What a great idea. It goes around this side of the page. Some nice tea-stained papers, coffee dyed papers. Look at this. She's very artistic, so I'm assuming she drew that. Very nice. I love that. There's a bug with the pussy willow. It's another mix of different pages in here. This has got eagles on it. There's the middle of the first signature. That's really nice string too. And there's some stitching on the page. Oh, that's a different sheet of paper actually. That's such a clever idea. There's two pieces of paper together, sewn together. There's a mouse. And more bugs. Pretty coffee. Oh, there's another beautiful hand-drawn, hand-painted embellishment and some ruffle. I can see a pocket. Some little goodies in here. Wow, isn't that pretty? Oh, and these little photo corners. They're pretty gold color. Things to be used. Wow, that page is just beautiful. So off he went through moonlight and starlight and thunder and lightning looking for his pussy willows. So cute. I'll have to read this later. That's the end of the first signature. Into the second. Wow, that's such pretty paper. There's another little dangle. There's a pretty blue dyed paper. I wonder what they used to blue dye. I know she has someone that she uses for these dyed papers, and I'll try to find the link for that. Look at this pretty ruffle on the side here. It's beautiful pink. That's a beautiful spread there. Pink dyed. There's like a wood page. All sorts of animals, and oh my goodness, a lobster or a hermit crab. There's another pretty page with fish and anchors with the sea theme there. There's the middle of the second signature and beautiful ruffles with a zigzag stitch. Really nice stitching. Just love how you've put all the colors together. Greens, pinks, some ephemera, another little postcard, very cute. And pretty pocket with made of fabric, beautiful stitching. Some more ephemera. Oh, that's beautiful. Lots of flowers, and she knows I love nature. Wow. Look at the pinks. A red squirrel who's hiding acorns. And let's see what kind of a groundhog. Blues. There's some add-ons there. Pretty. Love this torn page. The torn edge. It's raised up, so I think it's glued on. It's really nice. Love that texture, added texture. There's another of the books with the meadowlark, the blackbird, and the bobolink. Everything that anyone would ever look for is usually where they left it. Hooted the owl. Ruffle. More pretty papers. So she did leave me some pages that I could write on. Very nice. Some Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Chew. Oh, I'll read that later, thank you. A personal note. There's some pumpkin. It's your birthday. It's so cute. Happy birthday, Susan and Buzzy. Some vintage ephemera and another little cute dangle there. Pretty pink. So there's some more pages for me to write on. She knows I love to write and journal and make use of these pretty books that we make. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at how thick that is too. That's a really nicely thick spine. And there was a couple of other things. So that's 3 signatures in that. 10 little animals. I probably have all these in my backyard, except the bear. 10 little animals. This little golden book belongs to David William. Now, let's see if I can find 1972. I was looking for the date. These beautiful pages. All the pretty little animals in the wild. Beautiful owl. And now there's none, it says, with the wintry scene. Look at these beautiful pages ready to go into a journal. This is a hint that I should be making my own little golden book. So you've given me everything I need. Wow, is that a beautiful, beautiful snowy owl? Snow owl, I think that one. Little hedgehogs. Some branches there. Really thick pages too. Really nice. Some beautiful animals on there. And some fall leaves. Wow, and some acorns. Well, it's just beautiful. I just love it. Thank you so much for thinking of me, and I really appreciate it. I'll read your note and I'll send you an email. Thanks everyone for watching. Take care. Bye.